You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature.
Exciting Butch Halloween is, it's the Lucky Penny Shop. Halloween is around the corner, and Butch has now completely got his hands set for this Halloween series.
Clap, clap, clap. LPS-Dave, I thought, being the face of the channel, that I would turn the tables here and become your hands just like you are, LPS. You're the hands of the channel.
I don't want to hear. I remember the other video, you were like crying and saying how wonderful I was.
Very emotional.
But then I rewatch it thinking to myself, you're pretty much toting your own horn there. Yeah, I do this, I do that, I do this, I do that, and all that.
It's hard to be a celebrity, LPS-Dave. Let me just say that.
Well, we have the Hide and Eek edible zombie slime. We're going to make this today. Glows under black light when you make with tonic water. When made with tonic water. Woo, had to think about that a second.
See you in the eye, doctor.
It looks like you also get some gummy fingeries with that. You ever had a gummy fingery?
Once or twice.
Once or twice. Let's see. Very simple. How to glow. Okay. Do that. Stir. Do that. Add. Very simple. And what you get in the box is the cherry slime mix, gummy fingers, and 2 cups of water in the box.
I don't believe it.
No, we have to supply the water. So let's do this. Let's come back here. And, there's all the nutritional facts.
Oh, good. Healthy.
For everybody that loves that stuff. And there is something. I don't know. 100% satisfaction guarantee.
Recycle.
Yeah, let's get this out of the box and check it out. The thing I like about your hands, Butch, is you're always looking up towards the camera now.
My back is adjusting this. It's really hard having this perspective on life, LPS.
I can see it being a real challenge. All right, so here we go. Here's everything that we get. We get the slime mix. That's a cherry edible slime. We get some gummy fingers.
Okay, gross.
And that's it. And then there's our instructions.
No agua.
No agua. Let me get a little bowl for those. I want to check those out real quick. Here.
Don't go far, LPS-Dave.
Well,
I'd love to help you. I'd love to rip open one of those with my new hand implant.
Yeah, I can't wait. I think maybe we'll just have you mix everything with your little hands. Wouldn't that be fun? Ooh, look at that. We have different colors of fingers, too.
Careful.
All right, so we have a yellow. Okay. There's a white.
They might need to go see the old
so good.
fingernail guy.
Yeah.
What do they call that again, LPS?
I think they call those manicurists.
Manicure, that's what it was. Right, I go to a pedicure. Oh, that was funny.
Yeah, okay. It's all about you, isn't it? All right, so there's the 4 colors, it looks like. I think I like the green with the bulbousy red. There is a nail technique, I've seen it done, where they make these big bulbousy nails.
That's disgusting.
Well, that's what they do. All right, so we're set here. Let's get the tonic water. Oh, there was an orange one. I missed it.
Oh.
Wait a minute. So there's my 5 colors.
5, that makes sense.
And here's my addition. Oh, thanks for cleaning the tabletop, too. I mean, it's imperative we keep...
No problem.
Okay,
I love the leftover ice cream that was on there, LPS-Dave.
Yeah, that was a fun video, actually. Too bad you couldn't make it. Actually, you could have made it, but I didn't tell you I was making it. So
I found the ice cream, though.
Yeah, all right, let's get started. How's that? So this is mixing. That's how you mix, Butch.
Okay, all right. Teach me.
We are in, when you have a hand, you grip onto your little spoon and do that, okay?
Can I try it later?
You can. All right. Quinine is ready. Measuring
glowing.
cup. Yeah, isn't that the coolest part?
I'm going to use that quinine as a nightlight, I think.
That's pretty cool. All right, so I am cutting the powdered mix, and I'm going to pour the powdered mix in.
Oh, it smells like yummy cherry
divine,
cough
doesn't
syrup.
Okay, cherry cough syrup. Now let's open up the Canada Dry tonic water. Usually it just explodes everywhere, but this one's been around for a little while.
No funds were exchanged for mentioning
you know
Canada
what? I've always got some backup tonic water for these particular videos. So I was ready about 3 months ago, so it's been sitting here for quite a while. All right, I was looking at the box. See, the box was a tad deceiving to me.
Look at that, even glows.
They show 2 cups up here, right? And then down there they show 1 cup pouring in. So I'm assuming, I don't know what they were doing there. What do you think?
It's a 2-cup container.
Yeah, I guess. Then it could be 4. I don't know.
Ooh.
Let me know when I make it.
All the way up, LPS-Dave.
Say when.
And a little more. Come on, keep her coming. Give it a big glug. Another big glug. Another big glug. Bigger glug. Biggest glug. Tip it over, LPS-Dave. Keep it coming.
A tad more.
I went to school with a guy named Tad Moore, LPS Dave.
Really? Tad Moore. Okay.
Nice. Whew. Wow. The light that emanates from that quinine LPS.
I know. This is really cool, isn't it? All right. So I'm going to stir and pour. Stir and pour. Stir and pour. Is it still glowing in there? It's lost its glow.
Uh-oh.
Did you notice that? They said it would glow.
Come on. False advertising, LPS Dave. Is it getting glowy now?
I don't think so.
Sure smells like cherry.
It does. Okay, that's it. What does it say next? Put this in the refrigerator for 2 hours?
Fridge!
Okay.
It says you put snow in there, I think. It showed a snowflake.
I don't think you do that. And then the fingers go in last. Okay, all right. All right, let's get this in the fridge. We'll be back in a couple hours, everyone.
Roger that.
I hope you're here. All right, I am back. I'm kind of going through my fingers. And three of each, 2, 1. I think I'm... Oh.
Delicious, LPS Dave.
I see you get hands. You want to eat fingers.
Yes, I'm learning how to bite my fingernails, so I'm practicing on these guys.
Okay, spit it out, which you did.
I did.
You spit your finger out. Now here is the slime. Ooh, let me bring this in. Okay, here's the slime. Now it's not, it's pretty good. We let it sit for a good hour plus in the refrigerator. But progress cannot be stopped when it comes to making these videos.
That's right.
So we are going to now take this said slime. Let me get this out of the way. And I'm going to slowly pour it in to my said pumpkin bowl for Halloween. Gotta love that. Nice and slimy. There we go.
Now, those are real sound effects of the slime. That was not LPS Dave making those sound effects.
Then you'd want to kind of just put a couple fingers here and there.
It's like dipping.
Yeah, you're dipping fingers, yeah. Let's just put one in the slime. See, it's stable. Let's get that one over the green so you can really see the accent. Let's put a couple in there. Put an orange one over here.
I licked this one, LPS Dave. I don't think you want it.
No, I'm not putting that one in. But I do need to turn out the lights. So let's get all of our fingers in there. Can't wait to taste it. All right, so there is our Halloween treat. Now, that'll be fun at a Halloween party.
That'll be a fun bowl of goo to share.
And you can make 2 because there's enough goo in this one to make 2. Enough goo for 2.
Enough goo to make 2.
So what do you think now? Should we turn off the lights?
Lights
see
out.
what looks lights out? How is that, Butch? So it does have a little glowing hue to it.
I think I have more glow in the dark than that does LPS Dave.
And it'd probably feel really good on your hands, wouldn't it? I'm going to taste just the goo. Nice cherry flavor. Now I must eat a finger. If I was going to eat a finger, I'd dip this in real good.
Finger dip. What are you bringing to the Halloween party, Butch? I think I'll bring some severed finger dip.
The gummies are nice. They're like a soft chew gummy.
Agreed.
You don't have to work too hard to eat your finger.
That's a nice feature of this, LPS Dave.
Yeah. Let me have a little bit more of this. I tell you, let me scoop it up with the finger.
Good call.
We're at the party. We're about to. We're talking. So how have you been? How's things for Halloween?
Oh yeah, good.
Yeah, look at this tasty.
Did you just double dip? Did you just double dip? I saw you double dip.
Well, it is mine.
Triple dip.
That's pretty good.
Nicely done, LPS Dave. Nicely done.
Yeah. So there you go. There's the slimy finger, slimy Halloween dip.
I like it. It's a new sensation. It's sweeping the nation.
Halloween pumpkin bowl not included. And thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoyed the video. Butch and I had fun. And always remember, be safe, be kind,
be sugary,
be eating a lot of candy within reason, and brush your teeth.
After.
And happy Halloween.
Or before.
Yeah. Later.
Bye, everybody. I'm stirring up the slime. I'm stirring up the slime. Mixing up my Halloween finger dip for the party.
Butch, what are you doing?
Hey, LPS Dave. Just trying out the new hands, LPS Dave.
So much for double dipping. You're double.
It works great.
Fingering in there. What is that?
10 finger stir job, LPS Dave.
Oh my gosh, that's disgusting. I'm not going to eat that now.
I'm going to lick my fingers.
All right.
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
pick it up.